So my friends and I discussed what self-care meant to us, and to the majority it was things such as, taking time for ourselves, whether that be alone or with people, doing things that benefited us positively, physically, mentally, and, just making us feel better, caring for ourselves. So for the majority of us, it was doing things that made you happy, such as our hobbies, like doing football, rugby, listening to music, doing our hair, having a nice long shower, things that are by yourself or together, visiting people, playing out with your friends, but not really playing because, we're too old for that, but just going out with your friends, taking time with them and by yourself to benefit you and make yourself feel better. Take care of yourself, and doing things that make you happy, really do that, because it's a positive impact on your life. And you need to make sure that you have the time to do that, because it really does make everyone feel better. So here are some of my friends and me obviously talking about things that make us happy and things that we enjoy doing to make us feel better.
The thing what makes me happy is these photos, because they're very funny, and playing sport because it just clears my mind of things. So if there's a problem at home, I'll play football to kind of get my mind off it, and especially being with my friends, because that takes my mind off everything, because I'm actually very happy around my friends and that. For self-care, I probably just do a bit of skincare, have a nice warm shower, all of that stuff.
So the thing that keeps me going in this world is rugby, football, going out with my friends, that makes me really happy, family, seeing my nan a couple times, and it just makes me quite happy. And I like going out with my friends, playing football and rugby, and just stay positive all the time, I guess.
Okay, so things that probably make me happiest is spending time with my dog, as you can see, or listening to music, because they just make me feel really happy and they really calm me down and they just make my day a lot better.
So I love football, rugby, my bike, my scooters. I love my mum, care about my friends. I love my Xbox. Just love going out in general, going on walks, stuff like that. Yeah.